Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Tonight on the menu I have some Manchu Wok Chinese food. Scott and I were at the mall tonight, so we decided to just grab some Chinese food. It's actually like quite late. It's like 9 o'clock, so I am really hungry. I got some noodles here, some lo mein noodles. I got the Thai chicken, and I just got the mixed veggies, and I'm really excited to eat it. Hope you guys are doing well. Oh my god. So good. The mall was closing at like 8. So we were like rushing, and then we were like, oh no, hopefully like there's still the fuzzy floating around. Hopefully there's still like food left. We got there and there was like a good amount. I was like, oh thank God, because I've been thinking about this since we got in the mall. Some of you guys know that like the mall Chinese food is like my favorite. We don't have Panda Express. Well, we don't have Panda Express like near me. I think we do have some like somewhere, but it's not really accessible, so like this is the next best thing, you know? I have a ginger ale. I started buying like the mini cans because I haven't been drinking that much pop lately, but every once in a while, and you guys will see, like I'll probably drink pop with you guys. Ooh. I just like to have it, but I don't like to have a ton of it anymore. This chicken, she gave me a lot of chicken. I'm really excited about it. And they're mixed vegetables. Like some nights it's just broccoli. Tonight there's like zucchini, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots. I was really impressed. I was like, oh yeah, I totally want veggies. Whereas like when Scott orders, he always just gets meat and noodles, and I can't. I always want veggies. There's celery in here too. Man. I didn't even check my hair before I sat down, so whoops. I was like, I worked all day, and like Scott and I knew we were gonna like maybe go to London tonight because I had some stuff to return at Old Navy. I had some stuff to return at Under Armour. I've been like sitting on this stuff, and I'm like, okay, I need to do these returns because it's quite a bit of money. So we finally decided to go, but like after work I was like, we could definitely go to the mall. So I ended up going to American Eagle. I don't know if you guys remember the shirt that I was wearing the other day in my video. This piece of chicken is very dry. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, whoa. Oh, the sweater I was wearing the other day, it was green, and it said, like, happiness right across the shoulder. It's so cute, and it fits so good. I went to American Eagle, and I got it in 2 other colors. The red one, I think it says like cozy. And then I got like a golden yellow one, which I will wear these. Like, trust me, you guys will see them. I think it says like peace or love or something on it. I can't remember. And then I got a dark green hoodie, which I didn't try on. I'm just hoping it fits. I mean, a hoodie is a hoodie, really. But you know how sometimes they can make them like different, like the arms are baggier or whatever. It looks cute, and I'm pretty sure it's going to fit fine. So much chicken. I usually get the order like the 3 items. But I didn't want to go too crazy. I haven't been eating like a ton, so I'm sticking to it, you know? So yeah, so that was my evening. Oh, and I've been looking for, I don't know, some of you guys might know like Carhartt, the brand Carhartt. They have like these toques and they're really trendy, and they have one, they're trendy, but they're like, I don't know. Anyways, I went and ordered some because I couldn't find them at like 2 different places. So I was like, can you guys just do like an online order for me? And they're like, yeah, no problem. So I ordered the brown one and the black one because I want them and I think they'll be cute. And it's cold here in Canada, so like, why not be trendy? As well as warm. You know what I mean? I think they look cute. I think you guys might start seeing like Friday vlog videos of all the videos or all the outfits that I've worn like during the week, like all my OOTDs. The bean sprouts are really like crispy, crunchy. It just suddenly hit me. I was like, okay, I'm eating. Like, I'm like getting to that stage where I'm like, now that I've had a little bit of food, I can go to bed. Tastes really good tonight. I mean, it's usually not too bad, but tonight it's good. Sometimes it's hit and miss, right? With takeout stuff like this. Okay, the chicken is a little dry. Which I don't super hate, but it's like dry, like chewy dry. So it's just kind of annoying that I have to chew this much. Mm. My gosh, I haven't had zucchini in so long. I'm like really excited that this is in here. Super delish. And I like the new containers too because it's like that kind of plastic material, so I don't really need to transfer it to like another container if I don't want to. Mm-mm-mm. I'm like doing inventory of in my head about what Christmas gifts I got the kids, which I have bought more for myself over the last couple weeks than I have bought for anyone or in total. But honestly, I needed new clothes, so I got myself new clothes, and I returned some stuff because it didn't work out. So it's not like I overbought, but I knew I was going to return things. Does that make sense? And like sweater and hoodie season. If you guys have been here for a while, you guys know that I just like love hoodies. And I will wear a different one every day. But I don't have a ton right now that I love. So like getting those sweatshirts with no hood on them is so nice. Like the crew neck. I'm like super slouching. I'm like down here. Oh my gosh. It's been a long day. And it's Black Friday sales. Oh. When I went to Under Armour to do my return, which I don't like super like love and shop like with Under Armour all the time. She says that she's wearing a hoodie. But that was my first time going into the store that they have. It's been there for a little while now, I think. But they started their Black Friday sale today. And everything's 50% off. Excuse me. It was really hard to not just like walk around and be like, $25 hoodies. Like, oh, like $20 pants. Like, I was like, don't look at anything. Don't look at anything. I wanted to replace the one pair of shoes that I'd ordered, but they didn't have anything. So that's fine. I have so many running shoes anyways. Excuse me. Excuse me. That was a good piece of chicken. Oh, yum. Tomorrow night I'm going to start making videos for Vlogmas, I think. I just want to like pre-make a couple because I'll get 5 days in and be like, yeah, this is hard. So I'm hoping I can pre-make just a couple so if there's a day that I'm like, you know, not feeling it. All that kind of stuff. That celery is really good. Then I have a video I can at least post. I'm full. It's all sticky stuck. So good. Okay. Chopping out again. Oh my gosh. My hair is so like staticky today. Working with like the winter outerwear. Excuse me. Like cotton hoodies and stuff like that. Just like, oh my gosh, my hair is like a static ball by the time I'm done work. Okay, anyways, friends. I'm done. I just want a small piece of cabbage. Okay. Thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight. There's no one I would rather share this with than you guys, so here we are. Anyways, guys, like I said, I'm gonna do Vlogmas over on like my vlog channel, so feel free to go over there and subscribe. But I'm still gonna be posting videos here Tuesdays and Thursdays. I think that's my schedule from here on until I say so. Excuse me. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm probably going to go get ready for bed very shortly. I'm going to try on my new sweaters and then crawl into bed and watch TV. So, yeah, I can't. My hair is just... Anyways, okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!